Hi, I'm Matt Shutt, and I'm the certified radon measurement professional here at John's Waterproofing. January is Radon Awareness Month, and I just want to talk a little bit about the dangers of radon in your home and why it's really important to get your home tested. Radon is the #1 cause of lung cancer in non-smokers and is responsible for around 21,000 deaths a year. On top of that, it does cause long-term damage similar to smoking. The EPA says that you should get your home tested at least every other year. In Oregon, it's kind of the Wild West as far as radon goes, and there's not a lot of public awareness. So do yourself and your family a favor, get your home tested.